Well, nieces and nephews, today I have another spice mix for you. This one's one that a lot of people do like to use. No, it is not a replacement for a famous seasoning brand, but it does go along with it. Today, I'm going to go ahead and teach you a basic Cajun seasoning. Great for crab boils, crawfish boils, just boils in general. Gumbo, jambalaya, just about anything that's Cajun. We'll use 90, well, maybe not 90%, because I'm sure that somebody will show me a bunch of recipes that won't. But if it says to use a Cajun spice mix, this is what it's looking for. So, we're going to start off with 5 teaspoons of paprika. Now I'm using sweet paprika because it doesn't say to use smoked for this, and I can see how that might be a little bit overwhelming later on. 4 teaspoons of salt. 4 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2.5 teaspoons of dried oregano. Then 2.5 teaspoons of dried thyme. But not out of a blue box. Then 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Then 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. Obviously, if you like it a little bit spicier, go ahead and add a little bit more. Same for the fact that there's 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Go ahead and put those right in. Go ahead and use a handy dandy little whisk of some sort. I mean, you could use a spoon. I just like to use whisks because I feel like it does mix it a little bit more. Not to mention, if you get a little bit of a clump, you can always just kind of break it up a little bit. No offense, I don't use the cayenne quite as often sometimes. There we go. Then you want to go ahead and stick it into your handy dandy little spice bottle if you've got one handy, which hopefully you do, or a little jar. I'll go ahead and put that rest of that into another container here in a little bit. But there you have it. A basic Cajun seasoning mix. It will store in this up to 6 months. Great one to have on the spice shelf. If you like the video, don't forget to show it by clicking the little button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the subscribe, join the tribe, and make sure you tickle the little notification bell there until it says all. Otherwise, you may not always know when I upload. So, with that being said, also do not forget, down in the description is a link so that you can print it yourself, so that you can add it to your recipe book. Or, it's just in the description if you want to write it down yourself. And don't forget to tell your friends. Comment if there's another recipe you would like to see me do. Or, once you've made this yourself, comment and tell me how you liked it. So, until next time, nieces and nephews, good night. Bonne soirée. Bon appetit.